Hello, everybody. It's not often I come public like this through a venue like this. I do a lot of recordings like these for my pressure washing school that I operate here in the Houston, Texas area. I have guys that will come in once a month and take them out and teach them how to start and operate an exterior cleaning business. And then, of course, we also have our exterior cleaning business ourselves, where we go out and clean people's homes, businesses, commercial properties, pretty much anything exterior wise. So, I saw this home today. We were cleaning next door to this house. And when I looked across the driveway and saw this, I was just really, I got mad. I was embarrassed, because I know what I'm seeing here does not have to be like this, and it should not be like this. I don't know whose home this is. I didn't talk to the people, but I can tell what's going on here. You basically have someone that has used a machine and didn't really know how to use the machine, the pressure washer that they were using. Nor did they know about the surface that they're cleaning. All this white stain that you see on the brick is supposed to be there. This area along here where it's missing, and you can also see kind of where the wand kind of went trying to clean some areas up here, and then you also see it over here. This is just damage that's irreparable. You can try to get the white stain back in there via acid washing or some other technique, but it's never going to look exactly the way it is supposed to. And I see this. It's a very common thing that I see in Houston, especially on brick surfaces like this with this stain in it. But I can tell what's going on here is that this roof doesn't have a gutter here. So when the rain comes down the roof, it's not only picking up the algae that's on the roof, all these dark stains, but when it comes down and splatters, the water sits here along this base of this wall and stays wet for a long period of time. And that's what algae and mildew outdoors just love, is our warm, humid, moist environment. So when someone decides to come along and clean this, I can pretty much guarantee this was cleaned using a machine from like Home Depot or Lowe's that have advertised 2,800 PSI, 3,000 PSI, things of that nature. But the gallon per minute of those machines is only about 2, maybe 3 at best. And so you're getting a lot of pressure. But when we clean in the professional exterior cleaning industry, we're cleaning with water flow. Well, our pumps are much higher than what you can buy at a big box store. So either a person just trying to start out or trying to make a few dollars, or it could have been a homeowner, I don't know, used a lot of pressure, too much pressure on this brick. And so that's what's caused this damage. And I'm seeing more and more of this in the Houston area the last few years, especially since there's a lot of people in this area that are starting to get into the business, and they're starting without getting themselves educated properly, or they're depending on Facebook or YouTube or whatever to try to learn. And that's great for learning stuff in your head, but practical application on surfaces like this, it just doesn't work unless you've got the right type of practice and the right type of supervision to know what you're doing, the right equipment, all of that kind of thing. So that's one of the reasons I started a school a few years ago, is to help guys get into this business and to learn it properly. It's just getting to the point sometimes where we go behind people, and it hurts the professional contractors that are out there that know what they're doing, and come behind and have to try to fix this stuff. And oftentimes we just walk away and say, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be a part of this because I don't want to be blamed for anything. So it kind of ties our hands behind our back as to what we can do. So just as a public awareness thing, make sure you're vetting who you're hiring that's going to work on your home. Our company is part of the United Association of Mobile Contract Cleaners. We attend yearly continuing education events. I also teach at some of those, along with my school here. I travel quite a bit, and I'll be traveling next week or next month to San Diego to teach at an event. But always make sure that they've got the experience, the knowledge for the different surfaces, substrates that they're cleaning. Make sure, they have to know what kind of chemical ratios to use and what a service can take and what it can't take. There's just a lot more that goes into cleaning some person's property, whether it's residential or commercial, than just hooking up a water hose to a gas-powered machine and taking off. It just doesn't work like that. A lot of damage can be caused. And I hate to see all this, because it really could have been prevented. But at the very least, when you're hiring someone, make sure they have insurance, they have the proper insurance, and that it is enforced. A lot of times, I've known guys or seen where guys will buy an insurance policy and then stop making the payments, but they continue to use an insurance binder or a proof that is actually no longer valid because they haven't paid, but it's got an expiration date. So they'll try to use it up to that date or doctor it. Just, make sure you're vetting the people that you're using. There's a lot of online programs out there claiming that they do background checks on contractors, and they don't. Your best bet is just using the good old Google or Yahoo search and get you 2 or 3 people that you can get a quote from, and then investigate and do some research on their companies, check out their websites, check out references, things of that nature, and that's going to be your best protection. But I really want to try to just, I was going to just make this video only for my school, but after thinking about this today, I just thought I need to do a little public awareness thing and let consumers out there, whether they're my customers or not, whether you hire me or not, that's not the issue. My issue is trying to protect your property from damage. That's the most important thing that we do in the exterior cleaning industry, because it doesn't matter how beautiful we make these walls look. If we do this type of damage, then we've failed. So if you ever have any question, please feel free to reach out to me, cleanandgreensolutions.com, or if you're a contractor and you need some help or want to attend my school, pressurecleaningschool.com. But I hope this helps somebody. I really just kind of really hate to see this kind of thing happen, but it does, and we're trying to prevent it. Lots of great professional contractors out there. Go to the uamcc.org. You can find many certified exterior cleaning contractors, not only here in the Houston area, but also outside the Houston area and just about every state. We've got great contractors that can help you. So again, cleanandgreensolutions.com if we can help you with anything with your home or your commercial property. And then if you're a contractor and I can help you in any way, pressurecleaningschool.com. Y'all have a very, very blessed rest of your day.